In this how-to video, we'll cover how to create and configure a membership plan in SimpleGym. SimpleGym enables you to automate payments by assigning your members to a membership plan. The membership plans specify how much a customer is charged, how often they're charged, and how long to continue charging them. In today's demo, we'll set up a 3-day promotional plan. To set up a new membership plan for your gym, first, log into your SimpleGym account. Click Plans, then click Create New Plan. Then we'll enter a plan name. This is public, so make sure it's something suitable for your customers to see. Then enter the price, which is the amount that the member's credit or debit card will be charged each time they're billed. For repeats every, we'll pick daily, since members assigned to this plan will get billed once per day. For runs number of times, enter the total number of times a member will be billed under this plan. Then select whether the membership plan will auto-renew. Then click Save. Now that you've created a membership plan, you can assign new and existing gym members to that plan, and the members will automatically be billed according to the membership plan you've assigned them. If you have any further questions, contact us via one of our support channels. SimpleGym, gym management made easy.